Okay, so now that we installed the code editor, it's time for us to start digging into HTML coding. Finally, let's get started with one of the fundamental HTML topics, tags. A tag is a keyword or a term assigned to a piece of information. We cannot insert data or a command in HTML without tags. We have two main tags. We have the opening tags and we have the closing tags. The difference between opening and closing tags is the forward slash. In the opening tags, you will write the name of the tag within angle brackets, and in the closing tags, you have to add a slash after the first angle bracket. Between the opening and the closing tags, you write more tags, or you can write paragraphs, you can add images, or any other content you want displayed. Alright, so the data that we write, like right after the opening tags keyword, like inside the angle brackets, is called attributes. First of all, the name of the attribute is given, then its value. In this example, href is the name of the attribute, then contact.html is the value. In order to understand the structure of HTML5, you should first of all know about tags, their benefits and uses. And that's what we're doing here. So I hope that, like right now, it's much clearer to you what are tags and their basic definition. So we'll explore them deeper as we move forward. No worries, we'll explore them step by step and we'll see like how they work in real life.